Alright, welcome back. So, in this video, I'll be doing how to add or install a fuel shutoff valve in your gas line. And then this is on the race mower lip. And so here's all the tools you will need. Is vice grips, needle nose pliers, and the valve, the fuel shutoff valve. That's it. You use the vice grips to hold the gas in the tank. Use the pliers to get the clamps off, which actually I don't even have any, so I could probably just pull it off with my hands. And then you just put, okay, never mind, because I can use, and then you're gonna need something to cut the hose, which I'll use that. If not, then I'll go grab my other pliers. And then this you just install right between the hose, and then you're good. So let's start now. Hold up, let me set up the tripod. Alright, there we go. Now we're gonna put these vice grips on. About right in there. And I don't actually know if these vice grips are gonna work, so we'll see what goes down. And so let's just make this out real quick. Well, it's not holding in the gas, so, oh crap. Alright, I gotta go get the gas tank. I'm back with the gas tank now. So let's just get this thing. Oh crap. There we go. So that's draining. We'll wait for that to drain. The tank isn't that full, so it shouldn't take that long. Yeah, there it goes. The tank's empty. Okay, so now we'll cut this line in half, and then we'll add this valve in here. Oh, come on. Stop doing that. I might have to go grab my wire cutters for this. And so you just want to cut this a couple inches up from the fuel filter. Yeah, alright, let me go grab my wire cutters real quick. Alright, so I got the wire cutters. So you guys will also need a pair of these to cut the hose. You stick it in there. Hold up. There we go. So we got that. Yep. There it is. I'm zoomed in pretty far. Now it's leaking gas all over me. So now what we'll do is we'll stick the get this in here. So stick that in the hose. Alright. Now we'll move this clamp up here. So this is where your needle nose come in. Hold up. Let me do this off camera, because it's kind of hard to get it in front of the camera. Alright, there we go. So now, we'll put this back on. That's what you want to do. Just stick that right in there. This is a tight space. All right, there. Now it's in. You rehook your fuel filter, just like that. And now you have a shut-off valve. Let me take you off the truck one. Right in there. It just, I don't know actually what weighs on, but I'll see, find that out. So yeah, it's not that hard to do. You just cut the line in half, stick that in there, and then put it back together. And there you have shut-off valve. So I'll see you in the next one.